Python is the third most preferred language by the developer community worldwide. Its simplicity and versatility have needed the likely choice for the building web applications, AI and machine learning models, gaming applications. If you are interested to learning more about the Python, this free course from SMTRT is for you. This video tutorial will take you through all the basics and advantageous concepts in the Python programming language. We will learn about the data types, variables, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and lot more. You will understand the how to use decision making statements and loops in Python. You will get an idea about the creating user defined functions and learn various object oriented programs along with the trending and Python scripting. Then you will learn various machine learning libraries available in the Python, which includes NumPy, Pandas. As a bonus, we have a section dedicated to the frequency asked questions about the Python programming interview questions and the answers to you. Access upcoming job interviews. Now you can explore the course curriculum. Before you get started, ensure that you have all system requirements to practice the demo. Software requirements including have a browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer with JavaScript enabled in it. It is also recommended to have a text editor such as Notepad or Notepad++. The hardware requirements including have an operating system with Linux or Windows 7 or higher, and hard disk space of 20 to 250 gigabytes or more, and RAM 8 gigabytes or more.